Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, a station whereby we are going to learn and also interact together. Today we are going to have our Mathematics Form 4 Lesson 15, and we are going to unload the topic on Statistics 2. Remember we dealt in Form 2, we dealt with Statistic 1, so now we are going to deal with Statistics 2. So I would appeal that if you did not get our lessons, you go and look, see them on the YouTube channel. We are going also to handle the subtopic on mean using assumed mean, and your tutor will be me, Mr. Gerard. Welcome. Before that, we are going to have the following lesson goals or objectives, whereby by the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. You calculate mean of a given set of data. We are going to have our example 1, whereby we are going to give a brief description whereby with the grouped data we can obtain values to work with by dividing each figure by the class width. Here that is after subtracting the assumed mean. Remember, here we are dealing with an assumed mean. In order to obtain the mean of the original data from the mean of the new set of data, we will have to reverse the steps. The correct order of reversing the steps is to multiply by the class width and then add the working mean. This is now our example 1, whereby actually you can see we have got several columns and also rows, whereby in our first column we have got our class. We have our class from 100 to 103, whereby the midpoint is 101.5. To get the midpoint, what you actually do, you just get 100, you add 103, then you divide by 2. That is now how you get the midpoints. So remember here, to get 101.5, we have gotten 100 plus 103, then we have subtracted, we have divided by 2, to get 101.5. Same as this our second class, which is 104 to 107. You just take 104 plus 107, then you divide by 2 to get your midpoint, which is 105.5. Second to our third class, which is 108 to 111, to get 109.5. Same as 112, you add 115 to get your midpoint, then you divide by 2 to get your midpoint as 113.5. You also get 116, you add 119, then you divide by 2 to get 117.5. Same as our last class here, which is 120, you add 123, and you divide by 2 to get 121.5. There is something that you have to note, whereby in our class here, actually the class width, or the difference between 100 and 103, the class width must be constant, or it must be uniform. So for example, from 100 to 103 we have got 4 classes, that is 100, 101, 102 and 103. Sometimes students, you might confuse of the class width from 100 to 103. You simply take 103 minus 100, thereby you will be getting 3, that is a class width, but that will be wrong. So what you normally do, you just you count, because the class of 100 is inclusive and also the class of 103 is also inclusive. So here you are going to get 100 plus 1, that is 100, 101, 102, 104. So that is to mean we have got 4 classes. From there, and remember, in the beginning I've said that we are going to use an assumed mean. So here, as you can see, our assumed mean is 109.5. You just assume any mean, but remember that to get our t here, we are going to get our x, you subtract our assumed mean, then you divide by 4. So here what we are going to get, actually you can see we have gotten already, we have 2, 1, 0, 4, 8 and 12. For the, we also have the f, that is for the f is standing for the frequency. F is standing for the frequency, and just that way. Then our ft, here we are multiplying our t with f, so you just multiply -2 you multiply by 1, -1 you multiply by 12 and so forth. So that is what we are normally doing. So here for the solution, actually we are going to get the mean of t. As you can see, we have got something that is above our t here. that is whatever you can see as the upper script there is known as is representing to mean mean. So we are going to get 156, you divide by 100. Here you are going to get 1.56. Now here what you normally do now to get the mean of x, we are going to get our assumed mean plus the mean of t. Remember we have already calculated the mean of t by getting our 156. We divide by 100 to get 1.56. So let us try to look at so now we are saying the mean of x here, we are going to get 109.5, which is our assumed mean. As you can see here, our assumed mean was 100.9.5. then we divide by we add the mean of t, which we have gotten. So our mean class, our mean weight is 111.06 grams. You just add normally. Having said that, you are required to have the following activity, whereby you are required to find the mean of the following numbers, whereby in the numbers as you can see, that is 190, 191, 192, 193, 194. We have also 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, and also 200. That is the activity that you should do. And for more information in this lesson and many more of for more information in this lesson, you are required to refer to KLB, which is 2017 Secondary Mathematics Students Book 4, which is the 4th edition Nairobi, which has been certified by the Kenya Literature Bureau. And to get this lesson and many more of our biology lessons, you can send us an SMS through the number that is on our screen, or you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Elimu TV, or you subscribe to our Facebook page, which also is Elimu TV, or you tweet us at Elimu TV_KA. Let us subscribe to all these channels, and we shall enjoy more of our mathematics lessons. Thank you.